Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the latest limited edition Easter 2022 card kit. I'm going to walk you through all the products in this Easter themed kit, starting with the larger 6x8 Easter Joy stamp set. This is a great larger stamp set. You get a lot in it, some floral Easter theme. You get a wreath, swag. There's even a floral Easter egg shape there. Mixture of fantastic fonts. I like the mixture with the straight up clean and the scripty. And then look at this cute little mini Somebody Loves You, Some Bunny Loves You stamp set with a cute little coordinating die in the shape of a bunny. I love that. And then there's the large Easter basket die set. So I die cut this one to show you. The Easter basket has a little slit in it. Let me take this stuff out to show you. When you die cut it, it has a slit so you can tuck all sorts of goodies in there, maybe some chocolate. And it gives a great texture of a basket. And then it also comes with a little duck, a little rubber duck, and a couple different sizes of Easter eggs. And this is sized perfectly to fit on an A2 standard size card. Next up is a set of 2 layering eggs stencils. As you can see, these are sized for a slim line, but definitely adaptable for A2. And you get the solid egg shape, and then you get the pattern that you can layer together or you can use individually. This will work great with inks or pastes. I love that it's a layering stencil, so if you want to just use the solid open, be very clean and simple, but you can make it real detailed with a detailed stencil. Okay, moving on to some double-sided pattern paper by Echo Park from the My Favorite Easter collection. It's 6x6 double-sided pattern paper. Quickly flipping through the patterns because I know you'll want to see it. Then some of these can be trimmed into little tags or mini gift cards to hang on a gift or an Easter basket. I like there's florals, there's plaids, there's gingham. I mean, I like the color palette for Easter. It's great. And yeah, Echo Park, My Favorite Easter 6x6 inch pattern paper. Next is a sheet of Doodlebug Mini Icons Easter Express stickers. If you happen to love the Doodlebug images, which I do, they're so sweet. These are great. You can pop these up on cards, on tags. You can just stick them on envelopes. Moving right along, we have some fun ThermoWeb limited edition Basket of Fun toner card fronts. So there's one in white and one in craft, and these work perfectly with the ThermoWeb foil. We have a sheet of gold foil in the kit that you lay it on this toner sheet, run it through your laminator, and then you foil it. There's also a Basket of Fun slimline toner sheet. Again, you can do the same thing, size for a slimline, or you can trim it down, put the ThermoWeb foil on it, and then just run it through a laminator, foil it up. Okay, there's also some Tim Holtz velvet ribbon. You get a yard of each color, mustard, yellow, and rust. And I just wanted to show you how it pairs so perfectly with that Echo Park pattern paper. You're also going to get a container of 1 fluid ounce of Ranger Icicle Mini Crackle Paste. Slather that on a little Easter egg and you got a crackly Easter egg, which I'll show you later. I did some. Couldn't resist. It goes on clear. Got to let it dry for about an hour, and it dries crackly and clear. Also included in this limited edition Easter card kit is one Simon Says Stamp exclusive glue stick. Gotta love a little adhesive. And then there's 3 envelopes in the kit. One metallic lavender. And these are that you pull the strip and it's, self-adhesive. You don't have to lick it. You get 1 white envelope, classic white, all-purpose, never goes out of style. Then you get 1 slimline envelope in a lemon chiffon, perfect for Easter. Again, self-adhesive. You're also going to get 1 sheet of cotton candy cardstock, 1 sheet of green apple, 1 sheet of vellum. This is the Simple Foundations translucent vellum paper, and then 1 sheet of Neenah Desert Storm, a nice craft for an Easter basket. And that is everything from this limited edition Easter 2022 card kit. Before we go, I just wanted to share a couple of projects that I've created using the contents of the kit. For this first card, I embossed the adorable sentiment from Somebody Loves You in white onto vellum, use the coordinating die. And this card, I die cut Easter eggs from the Easter basket die set and slathered them in that crackle paste for a fantastic Easter egg. And I embossed a sentiment from the Easter Joy stamp set. Make sure and check out the Simon Says Stamp blog for more information and inspiration. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.